Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk add calendar resources in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. In Google Workspace, calendar resources refer to shared objects such as meeting rooms, equipment, or even vehicles that can be reserved and scheduled within the calendar system. But in today's fast-paced world, adding resources manually in bulk is not efficient for any organization. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful tool which enables administrators to efficiently add calendar resources in Google Workspace. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Add Calendar Resources and click on it. In the Bulk Add Calendar Resources page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Add Calendar Resources will display. Click on Next, then the Review button at bottom. In the review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the addition of calendar resources in Google Workspace. Go to xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Add Calendar Resources and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. Replace the CSV file details with your organization details. Go to the Rules page. Upload the CSV file. Wait for the success notification and click on the View Log button. Now you see the log of rule execution, which includes resource name with resource ID. Verify the log for creation of calendar resources on Google Admin Console. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.